In this video, you will learn about the match formula in Excel. So match formula is a simple formula, and if you combine the match formula with other formulas, then it gives a lot of results and you can do a lot of things. So let's understand the match formula in Excel. So if you want to know index plus match formula, you can find the video link in the description below. And if you are watching the video for the first time, then please subscribe our channel and let us know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. So let's start the match formula in Excel with examples. The match formula identifies a value and where it stands. For example, equal to match. So I am looking for, let's say, 100. So now let's say my lookup array is quantity and close the bracket. So now it gives me output as 2 because 100 is in cell 2. If instead of B1 to B5, if I select B2 to B5, it will give me the output as 1 because 100 is in first cell. Similarly, if I give 200, so it will give me the result as 2. So now there are different match types. For example, exact match, less than and greater than. So how we can work on that? So we'll understand one by one. By default, if you have not specified anything, so it means it is a exact match and it is 0. So it will be the same output. For example, you have given less than means, so less than 200. For example, I am typing less than 210. So it will give me the same output because it is 2. If I give 200, then it will consider less than 200 and still it will give me the 200. For example, if I give 199, it will give me the first because 100 is less than 200. So now what is greater than? How we can work on it? If I give greater than like -1, you will get an error message because your data is not in descending order. So if you want to use the greater than, first you need to sort the data in a descending order. Go to data, sort the quantity, largest to smallest, click OK. So now you can see your output is displayed. So this is all about the match formula in Excel. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comment section below, and please subscribe and like and share. Thanks for watching.